Like a Hellcat.
Hey, what's up guys, Nathan TW here, back with another video, and in today's video, I bring you episode 11. Sorry, I'm talking so fast. But in today's video, I bring you episode 11, and I'm not doing the third person, I'm not doing the third person intro this time, because the last two times, I messed up the video, and I don't feel like doing all that again. So, in today's video, we're going to be exploring that ocean up there with these three potions: water breathing, night vision, and potion of healing. Which, the potion of healing will be used last. I also have food and my trident. So, let's go. So, first I'm going to start with the water breathing. Last time I tried this, my game crashed, but... And now the night vision. So, let's go. And I'm doing this to get a better understanding and see if I can find anything. Trident in my hand. Oh, by the way, guys, if you notice I'm doing anything stupid in this video, leave a like. Okay, all you better like this video because I am bound to do something really stupid. Alright, one of my friends built this. So, I guess they have a... Oh, no, what is that? Oh, I just found something. For a second, I thought it was going to shoot me out of the water. What is this? What is this? Get away. Go away. Get out. Wow. Oh, zombie villager. You think you can just come over here, huh? Die. That didn't kill you? Die. I got loyalty on my trident. This is the most action there's been in a video, isn't there? Well, in this series. Oh, die! I knew you were hiding treasure, and it's empty. Of course it would be. Which way do I want to go? Do I want to go under this huge ice block? Come on, give me my trident. What? He didn't get knocked back? I mean, knocked back? I mean, knocked back. I wonder. I'm gonna try not to do anything stupid on purpose. Unless I'm curious what happens. Okay, let's see. But it's most likely gonna happen regardless. Oh my gosh, it's a circle? Whoa, how did that? Got him. I thought that destroyed the boat, and then he'd come down here. What the? Where'd you come from? You guys need to stop surprise attacking me. So, the dumb thing I was gonna do in this video was... Okay, that just bounces off the boat, but that's not the thing I was gonna do. I was going to do something else, which you will see in a second. Hopefully I can find one. Oh boy. Oh, that's my friend's room. Let's see. Come on, I know there's one around here somewhere. Please don't listen into the background, because... Well, no, never mind. I'm just gonna try to speak louder. Because they're talking super loud in the background. Sorry, guys. I already had to do this redo this. Oh, hold on. Same place. Aha! Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Oh no, my Minecraft is kind of lagging. You guys might not see it, but it's kind of lagging right now. I knew it! Oh no. Hold on, does that affect me if it shoots? No, it doesn't do anything. But that was still kind of stupid, because what if it really did anything and it was blinded or something? Or something like some kind of potion effect happened. So I think I'm going to explore around here somewhere. So, let's see how much time I have left. Oh, that's... I only have 2 minutes and 50 seconds to be back at the Aqua base. Or, wait, no. The base underwater. Ooh, is that blue ice? Or packed ice? Okay, time to go. Wow, I never knew all this was here. Well, I really have about 2 minutes and 10 seconds, because I have on my turtle helmet, so I'll have extra 10 seconds of air. And also, I have air bubbles for Minecraft, so that extends my time further. Oh, that's solid ice. No, 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 no. Kind of like how they added the octopus. Wait, no, 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 no. Okay, that was stupid. Mistaking a squid for an octopus. And doing it twice at that. So, leave a like. Because that was stupid. However, we all make mistakes, so I guess you could like if you want to. But I would recommend. Also, while doing that, oh my gosh, he has a trident. Oh my gosh, they're just... What? Where did you guys come? Like, what? Did you just spawn? Like, let me just swim away real quick. Ooh, they're chasing me. I didn't think they'd go this far. Please drop your trident. Do you want to die? This is not good. Back up. Get away. Oh, man, I'm probably gonna die. No, 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 no. Come on. There's only one way to survive. Drink the potion. Drink the potion. Go, 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 go. Move out, move out. No, I went the wrong way. Well, I'm gonna die. Well, this has been a quite nice adventure. So now I know a little bit more about this area, and I could probably swim out more if I dig out, I think. Or there might have been another place I could have went. So now that I explored this, I could probably map it out and try to find a way to find a, what is that thing called? A monument. That sea monument where you fight guardians, and you fight the elder guardians, and you get sponges and stuff. And I also need the prismarine, whatever you guys call it. I also need the prismarine so I can use my conduit right here. And that means I won't really need this turtle helmet unless I leave the conduits, well, the powered conduits area, or unless I leave its area. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end off today's video at that. I was hoping I could make it back here without dying, but I guess I couldn't. All odds were against me. Had, like, all odds. Like, what are the chances of that? But, see you all in the next episode, which is episode 12. And, just so you guys know, if we do make it to episode 20, because, like I said in one of my earlier videos, this series is going to be wrapping up soon. So, if we make it to 20 episodes, then I will divide the video by 2, because I most likely won't be able to handle 20 minutes on video, because my phone can't handle it. But, yes, this is another Pocket Edition video. And also, right, so something I forgot to say was, well, 2 things I forgot to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because I did something stupid, not on purpose. And, well, I didn't really do anything, but I still did something stupid, like, could have gone any kind of way. So, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So, the second thing is, right, so, episode 20, if we make it there, will be split in 2, so I'll also have to try to get some friends on, and yeah, so episode 12, well, I guess I'll see you guys in episode 12, so see ya.